Hey guys, this is Sandeep from Paraguide. I am here to show you implementation of BDD with example. Before moving forward, I would like to introduce TDD and BDD in short. TDD is a test-driven development. It is an evolutionary approach to development which combines test-first development, where you write test before you write just enough production code to fulfill that test, and refactoring. Developer add a test, run it. For the first time, test is going to be fail. Then developer will make some changes to make that test pass. Then run the test again. If it is passed, then we'll write another test or can stop development if no any further test cases. Developer will repeat these steps for all the test cases. BDD is a behavior-driven development. It is an emerged from TDD. BDD relies on the use of a very specific vocabulary to minimize miscommunication and to ensure that everyone, that is the business, developers, testers, analysts, and managers, are not only on the same page but using the same words. BDD works on three words: given, when, then. GWT. Given is an initial context, that is requirement. When is an event, then is the expected output. BDD has 6 stages. Writing a test case which is going to be failed, make the test case pass. If it fails, again refactor the code, repeat the same process for all the steps and all these test cases. BDD has 6 stages as shown into this diagram. Write a feature file which explains the behavior of the feature. Feature can be written by the product owner, QA, or developer. Developers write the test against that features, run those tests. Obviously, those tests will fail because none of those features are actually implemented. Write code to pass those tests. At this stage, the only purpose is to pass the test and it may not be the perfect. This is acceptable and will be improved in the next steps. Run the test again. If the developer writes the correct code, then of course test will pass. If the test fail, then write the code which passed the test. Refactor code. Once the code is passed, clean up the code. Move the code where it logically belongs. BDD uses Gherkin language. Here you can see the syntax of the Gherkin language. Here we have feature spec flow feature 1. You can name it which you want. It's just an introductory part of the scenario given below. There are some pros, there are also some cons. There are so much tools in the market which implements BDD. Some of them are JBL, SpecFlow, etc. We are going to use SpecFlow. This is it with the theory part. We will see the practical in next video. Thank you guys.